Ready, steady, and start. If they can get away, comma, they will come to see the game, full stop. They will have to leave at 2, comma, if they wish to see it, full stop. We shall have to pay for the damage to the boat, full stop. Money for food was being to the family monthly, full stop. If we can aid was in any way, comma, we ought to do so, full stop. It was too cool for bathing at the beach, full comma, so they came back to the pool, full stop. They will be leaving for Canada on the 10th of the month, full stop. They will go to Winnipeg on the 10th, full stop. The lady saw a copy of the book, inverted comma, looking at Ash, inverted comma, close, full stop. If she can come in to see us, comma, we can show the lady a copy of the book for which she was asking, full stop.